Welcome to Home Design Channel. Step into a realm of boundless creativity, where architectural innovation, breathtaking interior-exterior designs, and inspiring home decorations converge to redefine the essence of living. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the art of outdoor living and cooking. Today, we're diving into the world of Courtyard kitchen decor, where we'll discover how to elevate your outdoor cooking space into a haven of style, functionality, and inspiration. It's a concept that blends indoor and outdoor living, offering a unique cooking experience in a natural setting. Courtyard kitchens are designed to integrate seamlessly with the surrounding environment, providing a space where cooking and entertaining can take place outdoors while enjoying the beauty of nature. These kitchens often feature outdoor cooking equipment such as grills, pizza ovens, or stovetops, allowing for a wide range of culinary possibilities. Additionally, they may include seating areas or open dining spaces where meals can be enjoyed al fresco, enhancing the overall dining experience. The Courtyard kitchen is more than just a place to prepare meals. It's an extension of your home, a sanctuary for culinary creativity, and a gathering spot for friends and family. So, let's explore some decor ideas to enhance this outdoor oasis. First idea. Create a cozy seating area where guests can relax and mingle while you work your culinary magic. Opt for comfortable seating options like cushioned chairs or benches, adorned with colorful throw pillows and blankets for added warmth and style. Second idea. Choose warm lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the ambience of your courtyard kitchen. Incorporate soft, ambient lighting with string lights draped overhead or lanterns strategically placed around the space. Not only will it create a warm and inviting atmosphere, but it will also illuminate your cooking area for evening gatherings. Third idea. Bring the beauty of nature into your courtyard kitchen with an abundance of greenery. Here, amidst the verdant foliage and fragrant blooms, you'll discover the transformative power of greenery in enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your outdoor cooking space. Potted plants, herb gardens, and vertical gardens not only add visual appeal, but also infuse the space with fresh aromas and flavors for your culinary creations. Let the beauty of nature inspire your culinary creativity as you cook amidst the greenery of your courtyard kitchen. So, surround yourself with greenery, embrace the sights, sounds, and scents of the natural world, and let your courtyard kitchen become a sanctuary of serenity and inspiration. Fourth idea. Incorporating stylish yet functional decor elements. Infuse your courtyard kitchen with personality and charm by incorporating decorative accents that reflect your individual style and taste. Begin by laying the foundation for comfort and style with weather-resistant rugs that not only add visual interest but also serve a functional purpose. These durable rugs are designed to withstand the elements, providing a cozy underfoot sensation while protecting your courtyard kitchen from moisture and wear. Add captivating artwork that tells a story to sculptural elements that evoke a sense of whimsy. Each piece adds depth and dimension to the space, transforming it into a true reflection of your personality. So, dare to dream, experiment with colors, textures, and patterns, and let your imagination run wild as you infuse your outdoor cooking space with personality and charm. Finally, don't forget to set the stage for memorable dining experiences with a thoughtfully styled dining area. Dress your table with elegant tableware, fresh flowers, and flickering candles to create an ambience that's worthy of your culinary creations. With these courtyard kitchen decor ideas, you can transform your outdoor cooking space into a captivating retreat that reflects your personal style and enhances your culinary adventures. Courtyard kitchens offer a unique blend of indoor comfort and outdoor living, providing a versatile and inviting space for cooking, dining, and entertaining. With careful planning and attention to detail, these outdoor culinary retreats can become the heart of the home, where lasting memories are made and shared with family and friends. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enchanting videos that celebrate the wonders of nature and the human spirit. Until next time, happy cooking and happy decorating.